Hey, this is Rancher Honda Rancher 420 motor, and it blew up. I bought it off a guy. He doesn't have a clue what happened. He thinks it's in the tranny. I don't know. It's hard to tell. I've taken off this side. Everything looks pretty clean in here, but this gear is locked up pretty good. So let's figure out what happened and see how bad it is. Is it going to be rebuildable or is it just going to be scrap, like parts? Nice, drop some stuff. I've already taken this side off. Where did that go? Oh yeah, here it is. And right away, you can see some culprits here. Yeah, like chunks of metal. That's not a good sign. Another sign is this oil is so black. So you wonder how many times did it get changed? Was it changed regularly? Where's the spring that's supposed to go in there? Huh. Okay. Interesting. So that goes like that. Yeah, definitely. You look here, look at all the chunks. So something's inside there. We're gonna have to break this whole piece open. I have all the screws out, bolts out. That's right here, right here, right here, right here. Underneath. Pretty straightforward. Take all those out. And yeah, let's see what happened. All right, got the hammer. Let's see if we can pop it off here. Just doing it lightly, just to kind of break it loose. When you're doing this, you want to do a hammer like this. You don't want to do a hammer like that. Am I in the camera? Yeah. Don't want to do it. Why? Chances are with a metal hammer, you're going to break the case. With this, a lot less. A lot less likely to break anything. And it's starting to come apart, so what I might do is just get a wedge in there and start wedging it. So, yeah, let's do that. Yeah, so I just wedged it a bit. Whatever, it feels like it's coming off. Oh, it is gonna come off. Okay. So something fell. I think that's clutch plates. Or it's broken pieces. Let's see. Okay, let's see what we got here. Couple of bearings in here. Huh. I'll show you the inside of this. All right, so far I haven't found anything that's disturbing. This is the inner case. There's definitely remnants of metal chunks down there. That's nice. Okay. So that's that. Here's the inside. This bearing fell out, which is whatever. But so far, nothing. You would think you would see like a stripped gear or something. Oh man. Like and it was in the oil, so it's gotta be like, I was thinking it would be a strip gear. That's what I was thinking. So we'll have to go deeper into this. Here's the clutch plates. Like, oh, now I can actually turn it, which is good. So what? All right, gonna have to do some investigating here. Put you on pause. Well, I'm not seeing anything on the outer areas of this thing, so we're gonna have to dive deeper. Oh, yeah, something feels like it's catching in there. What was that? But as you can see, oh yeah. I wonder if that piston is moving up there. I wonder if I would even see that from there. No, I won't even see that. I'm thinking a 2-stroke now. Here we're into 4 strokes. Definitely something doesn't feel right. It's got a bit of a... We hit something there. So we gotta go deeper. But it does feel like compression. And it also feels like everything's, valves are opening and stuff like that. So that's this side. This is what it looks like. This is facing forward to the front of your machine. This is facing to the back of the machine. So these are all your gears. And yeah, anyways, nothing too special here. Got lots of gears on these Hondas, front and back. So where's the problem? It's going to be inside here. Let's point that camera a little bit higher. Problem's going to be in here for sure. Which means we got to split this, which means we have to take the head off, cylinder off, split the crank, and see what is going on. But you definitely, I could turn it, and then it definitely, it hits something. It hit something in there. So, all right. Before I split this open, I gotta research the crap out of this, so I actually know what I'm doing. And worst case scenario, it just becomes full. Just split it out as parts. And best scenario is it just needs a piece, I don't know, a gear, something jammed, I don't know, just rebuild it and put it back together, and you got a good motor. So good motor ready to go. So stay tuned. Thanks for watching, guys.